Okay, Jagat, you can start your presentation. Jagat, we are unable to hear your voice.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name of my venture is Guardian. So basically, it is an insurance company. So uh, it is not the same. It has a small difference, but sometimes small changes can make a big difference. So moving on. So in India, almost 12.2 crore people lost their jobs during coronavirus and lockdown. So in my insurance company, I have a special policy for employees that if they lose a job, to help them to find a new job and give them a financial stability during uh, the time period they find the job. So it's basically uh, for the employees, my insurance company with other these are the types of insurance provided by my company. So basically, life insurance will be there and health insurance will be there. The major aspect of my company is employee insurance. So in today's world, job stability is a big problem more than many people face. Other than government jobs, every other company or every other sector have this problem of job stability. So that's where my company comes in. So in employee insurance, I will be providing regular benefits, normal employee insurance. Then there's maternity and parental benefits. So basically, if there's a newborn baby and you need a financial support, so if you apply for employee policy, then you can gain some financial stability. During that, we can give you a financial support according to your salary income accordingly. And if you're sick, then we can provide you financial stability. So major thing is find a job. So it is a policy in which if an employee loses his job without his error or his problem, basically due to any calamity, like in this case of coronavirus, this pandemic. So many people lost their job because basically they didn't lose the job because of their error or their something. It's basically because the companies couldn't uh, pay their wages. So in this, so the not everyone is eligible for the employee uh, for the for this policy. A person who has a salary up to 30,000 or below are only eligible for this policy. And the employee, when he loses his job, he has to make sure that we will be confirming from the company and from him that he lost the job because not because of his fault, but due to other reasons. Uh, and during this time period, we will allow him a financial support of around 55% to 60% of his current salary, means the previous salary he had, so that he can find the job and manage his life with that money. And he has to continuously apply for various interviews or uh, attend interviews, so that and he has to provide the proof for it. So if we find out that he is not attending interviews or he has no plans as such, and just he wants to enjoy with the money we are providing, so we will not allow that to happen, and we'll be cross checking it with the company as well. So if he has attended this meeting at this time, something like that. And all this report will be maintained like an employee report. So basically, if every company he has worked for, the details about that and how was his status with the company, everything will be noted down and made as a report. So according, if the person will only be eligible for this policy if he has, a proper record and case is genuine only, then only we will be providing 55% to 60% financial support according to his previous salary. So, so insurance companies, the main thing is marketing. So it's a crucial part of the business. So if I have to put a lot of effort in marketing, I will basically start with social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and then I would start conducting workshops in colleges so that at an early age I can make people aware of these of these policy and how beneficial it can be for you in the future. So like that, and that's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Good, Jayat. I think you have mentioned about one of the insurance company and financial product you are going to do. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. Here they are asking that what will be the brand name of your company?
It's a guardian.
Guardian.
Yeah.
So what will be the source of the income?
So starting, I have to uh, do smallly. I have to ask my relatives and
Mm.
friends to get into this. Slowly, I will have to build, sir. I haven't thought of
Mm.
that.
Yes. Okay, coming to my question, you are not mentioned about anything in banning rate because this COVID period. If you are introducing, everybody will buy your insurance scheme, and
So
everybody will say that we lost the
no,
job. So,
so it's not like that,
so,
sir. So they have to be a member before this happens, sir.
oh,
Otherwise, we won't be able to help
so
them.
you are expecting next COVID to come or next
Other,
pandemic is to come.
yeah,
By the time you
this
will get benefit, huh?
yeah, now they know how the situation is, so they won't take the risk, and if they have such an offer, so they
Mm.
will probably take it. So that
So
way.
I recently read news one place in Andhra, there is another type of fever epidemic cost. Hmm?
Hmm.
So whether your insurance company will cover such type of cost?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Very good. Your idea is nice. I appreciate your idea. You can all of can appreciate him because Jagat idea is entirely new. This is called as financial instrument. In case of management students and commerce students, they used to call it as an financial instrument. And very interesting thing is he told about marketing. Usually in case of our management department, what will happen means marketing professor agree means finance professor disagree. If finance disagree, marketing professor will disagree. But you can see, I like Jagat marketing as well as how he linked a financial product with a social cause. Very good. Jagat, are you able to achieve by 2030?
Yes, I will try, sir.
Why you are not having such a confidence? You are able to say
Sir, I have to. I'm not.
definitely.
I don't know much about that field, so I have to research a lot.
Yes, that is you are having 10 years time,
Yeah.
So you need not worry about that one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but good, Jayad.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir. Can I share
Uh,
my screen, sir?
yes, you can share,
Yes.
Anish.
Are you able to see my screen, sir?
Yes, Anish, but I am unable to see your face. Your nice photograph is there.
Yes, sir. Once.
Mm.
Yeah, it's visible, sir. No.
Yes, very nice background. Now you are the CEO.
Okay, sir.
With I think that Zoom background is nice.
Yes, sir.
Mm,
So actually, my ventureship is about renting a laptop or devices to the customer who is
mm,
capable of taking it at the smaller price of 21 rupees per hour. Like
mm,
in base of their usage, it's uh, how many times they can buy. It's based on their subscription base.
mm,
They have many offer on different types of offer to pay consumers. We
mm,
are also giving badges to the consumers for the first time they if they joined.
mm,
There are different types of laptop based on their provide their needs. Alienware gaming for their basic work, business works.
mm.
because many startups when they start they don't have that budget to buy the whole system for new, so they just can rent it, so it's cost effective for them. We are also giving them the features and licensed softwares, hardwares, and gaming. Even player gamers also can take, because if I take PUBG PCs cost 2000 rupees for just one time. It should be 100 rupees for one time for us. So for marketing, we are taking tournaments, giving tournaments to different time. For website designing, we are also giving the price to the rates. And for gamers, we are also using the PUBG PCs and their rates. For external income, we are using taking the workload of small startups to making their systems. Different kind of security we are giving, cyber security work we are doing, cloud computing, game testing, and software built from companies like small companies, any companies can. And for expanding our customer base, we are also providing the webinar talks based of our experts. Now the products we are providing is like this. Is for power users, we have some the rates for 34 hours they have to pay. It's power based on their requirements. It's all come on their requirements. For artists, we have different laptops. For gamers, we have different categories. There we have for students. There we have cheaper for the students. In base of student have to upload their ID card. In base of they can register. So for business people, this yes, the laptop.
Okay. Okay. How you will market?
The marketing shares the
Yes, yes.
tournament, sir.
Tournaments. That's what I'm asking. You are going to sponsor tournaments. Hmm?
Yes, sir, based on tournament, sir.
Okay, nice idea. Right. And here the students are asking whether this is a PowerPoint or some web page, or you created a nice one
Yeah, so it's a web page, sir.
created by you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, in your platform or some other link.
No, sir, I created it in my platform, sir.
Oh, nice. Then here the faculty member Stephen sir is asking one question. In case of Bangalore only, it is feasible. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
But what will be the payback period? Because same organization once introduced in 2015. They call it as a Hippo Lab. It is said to be failure in Bangalore. Hmm?
Yes,
But
sir.
is it how you will make it a success? That is
So for first time now, for firstly we are for first level we are only selling we are only taking the refurnished products only,
Hmm.
not the new ones. If we have a great supply or a great demand from the customer base, we increase
Hmm.
our productivity, so, based on that.
Oh, nice. Okay, coming to my question once again, you have mentioned the marketing very nice. It is a very good plus point. Sponsoring the event, that too games, then the banning rate for initial cost will be too high. I think so.
Yes, sir.
How you will adjust the initial cost?
For firstly, we are taking small group only, sir, for the
Mm,
students only.
mm.
After that, we are increased, sir.
But students group only means they will use your laptop rough and tough. So
Yes,
what will be the provision for that one? Even the two-wheeler, when I think Bounce introduced in first time in Bangalore, they targeted students. Then after 2 months, they stopped to give to students only for others. Then once again
sir.
they faced more problems when they introduced bonds. Even in our college, you might have seen outside we have seen number of bonds. Then once they wish to convince others, but we told that it is students' decision. We are not going to involve in that one. Hmm?
Yes, sir. So in this, when the consumer order our technician or our pickup guy just go to his place and hand over the laptop with a circular conditions and take some signatures based on that condition they are going to use. After when they take want to give the back, the technician will come and check if the laptop is very in neat same condition or not. And based on we have going to charge after that.
Okay. Good, Anish. Nice presentation. Nice idea.
Yes,
You have done a very good job. Basically, other students, you must learn from him two things. One, a new innovative idea, how an idea has been born. Then another thing, he clearly mentioned that their target audience, how he is going to introduce that one through the games. These are all the 2 points we have to share with them. Anish, by 2030, whether you are confident?
yes, sir. Of course.
Of course. Why you are saying of course?
So we already started in 2019. The last we are already preparing. Me and my one friend,
Who?
Jagat sir.
Oh,
Yes,
you Johet only. Huh?
yes, sir.
What Jagat, you are ready? You are ready to accept Anish with you?
Yes, sir. Small partnerships, sir.
Small partnership. Okay, nice, good. Very
Yes,
good idea. Huh? Where you are from, Anish? Whether your native is Bangalore or somewhere else?
sir. Rajasthan, sir.
Rajasthan. Then how this business will click in Rajasthan?
No, sir. I am planning in Bangalore, sir. Yes.
You are planning in Bangalore. So in Rajasthan, if you are from Jaipur,
No, sir. Jodhpur.
oh Jodhpur, oh nice. All
Yes,
historical cities.
yes,
Good,
sir.
Anish.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Thank you. Yes, next presentation.
Sir, Sanu, I will do.
Sanu, start.
Sir, you can see the screen, sir.
Yes, I am able to see.
Sir, I cannot on the video, sir, because I'm sitting outside, sir.
Why, pa?
No, in
Don't
home I'm not
worry.
getting proper network, so I'm sitting out.
Mm. Well, but as per our college regulations, it is essential. In seminar, you have to show your face.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, start.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanu, and I'm the CEO and the founder of Legacy Sports. My company deals with all the top brands of sports apparel, where it includes Nike, Adidas, every top brands. And my company's vision is to be leading sports company fueled by authentic brands that inspire the athletic achievement. And my marketing plan is like this is the social media world where we use Facebook and stuff. Through that, I'll do as much as marketing, and I use top celebrities also to brand my product, and also providing some sponsorship to known athletes. Like that, I'll do my marketing, and I'll control my burn
Yes,
I'll
proceed.
keep track of my cash flow and analyze the sir.
No, yes, proceed. Yes, we are able to hear your
I
voice.
will keep track of my cash flow. Okay. I'll keep track of my cash flow and analyze my major expenses. And by knowing exactly where the money goes, I can eliminate those unnecessary expenses. And it can be and put my funds for better use. Like this, I'll control my burn rate. And how I'll attract venture capitalists, like I'll keep my I'll maintain a track record in the sense like it is to trust for the financiers. This approach it will be time consuming, but it will reduce the risk very low.
Okay, that's
That's
all.
all. Yes, sir.
Okay, my students are saying that your friends are saying same brand name is already available. But if you want to do business, you can't use the same brand name. That is first.
This is not a brand; it's a company name. This company deals all brands like that, sir.
Yes, company name is also to be registered. It is already
Yes,
existing. That is that one. Okay.
but my tag
Hmm.
with the help of my logo and tagline, no, it's different, no sir. So
Hmm. Then from the faculty side, the question is regarding your investments. How you will invest? You mentioned something about how you will attract the venture capitalist. What is your total investment?
sir, I'll make a track record of to build a trust for the financiers.
Yes, how much you need?
First, it
Because
will be a
come on.
sir, sir. First, I'll start from the base, sir.
Yes, what is that base?
Base is like first I'll attract the school students.
Hmm.
Then I'll go to upper level, like that, sir.
Then
To the
how
sport
much amount you have to invest?
starting
That is
stage,
the
it's like
question.
20 lakhs, like that.
20 lakhs. Good.
Yes,
Then how you will get the 20 lakhs?
20 lakhs. I have to make.
How you will manage? Don't worry, tell me. Hmm.
I'll take loan only.
Loan they won't give. Whether you are having good assets, whether your dad and mom is ready to support with that asset, then
Or
only bank will give loan.
I'll do it as a partnership business.
Partnership.
Yeah,
So whom you will identify?
my friends only.
Who? Tell me one name.
Vicky, I'll take.
Vicky.
Vicky.
Jiki, are you ready to accept?
Yes,
Because
sir.
what Jiki, you are ready to accept. Then what about your business? If you join hands with him, you are losing your business,
That also will do partnership.
Oh,
So
what
next I'll do, sir. It's kind of sports related.
Jiki and Sam, they join together. Sanu join together. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, okay. Anyhow, my doubt is regarding the operational feasibility. If you fails to define it, is very tough. That is my suggestion. Then
Yes, sir.
is it possible to start by 2030 or you are going to start immediately?
We can start 2022 only now, sir. Now
22
only we can.
itself.
Yeah,
Hmm?
sir.
What Jiki, you are ready for by 22?
Hopefully, sir.
Hopefully. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, Sanu.
Thank you.
Ah, good. Mm.
Sir, can I do next?
Sir,
Yes.
can I go after her?
Yes.
Sir,
Which department you belongs to, ma?
Sir, psychology.
Sir, can
Psychology.
I go
Sir,
after her?
actually,
Wait,
we
wait.
have an exam tomorrow, so could we please do it today, or then we can do it on Thursday as well?
You can do it. First, today we are giving preference to computer science because
yes.
tomorrow onwards they can't come to the class. Hmm?
Sir, then can we do it on Thursday because we also need to study for tomorrow's
Okay,
exam?
last Thursday, next Thursday. Hmm?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
So shall I do, sir?
Yes,
Jiki.
Jiki, you can start. Others you can ready if computer science completed, you can do.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, GK. Oh, something is co.
Sir, shall I start?
Yes, GK, you can start.
So, good afternoon, everyone.
Mm.
My name is Jiki V. Sam, and I am the CEO and the founder of SCO. So, my company SCO aims to give the best footwear to the customers by combining technology and design. While sports is my main target, it will be frequently used as a style statement. So my marketing plan would be to use psychographic segmentation variables to make its offers attractive to the target customer, because according to me, targeting is the most important aspect of the marketing strategy. So how I would when it comes to my reducing my burn rate, the most important thing according to me, I would secure an MVP, minimum viable product, which is a technique perfectly designed for my startup according to me. Like before my company officially launches its service, I would create a prototype enough to be operational. The initial users of the prototype would give the feedback on the problems they encountered and what feature is best. So kind of reinforcement learning, sir. And it is since it is an developmental stage, additional features can be developed, and after the MVP is accomplished, so you can easily cut off the products that don't sell. Like that, I plan to reduce my burn rate. And when it comes to attracting my venture capitalist, I will attract my VCs by refining my business plan base. So basically, if I have a good business plan uh, which takes into account my potential challenges and market shifts. So what I'm basically doing is I will convince in such a way that they'll not only look into my idea but also my ability to sustain. So that's my goal of like how to attract the venture capitalist. And moving forward, manufacturing shoes need a lot of resources, which is not good for the environment. So so I will turn to different resources. So sir, experts say that in the near 30 years, from 30 years to come in the future, there will be more plastic in the ocean than fishes. So I'll make use of that plastic. So I would partner with an environmental organization like EcoWatch, like in Bangalore, to create awareness and about the importance of the environment, and use that waste to create the product. And so therefore my vision is to protect the environment, of course, and our goal is to become the leading company that provides innovative shoe products that will increase the quality of the consumer life. So that's it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, good. Okay, the question from the student side is, what is your business model? How you will improve that revenue?
So business,
Mm.
so model.
Business, how you will get income?
So this at the start I'll work in an IT company, sir. Like there I'll get income.
Okay,
With that
you
income
will
I'll
get
start.
income. Then from your business, what is your actual business here?
Footwear, sir. Shoe company.
Shoe company. Yes.
Yeah.
So only by selling you are able to get the income.
Yes, sir.
Mm. That is the.
And
Mm.
and at the same time I will partner up with an environment organization about like create shoes from waste, sir. Like
Mm.
plastic.
But that is why it will be very costly, and it also need huge investments. Mm. That is why the question has been raised. Okay, from the faculty side, so what will be your break-even level? That is, within how many days you will get a profit? How many years it takes, or how many days it takes to generate profit?
Like initial 6 to 7 months will be tough, I guess, sir. Like I
Mm.
didn't go deep study into that, but
Mm.
after that eventually I'll start earning profit.
So I'll say till 6 months, you are going to face the problem. Your banning rate will be high.
But then I will be working as well. So, like I'll not get totally into the shoe company.
Mm.
Then until I gain stability in my company,
Mm.
I'll be working part by part.
Okay. Okay, good. Vicky, I think my question is regarding this marketing, how you are able to fix the target. You mentioned clearly you are
Yes,
going
sir.
to target. Hmm?
I
Who you
told
will target?
like I told on terms are like psychographic segmentation
Yes.
variables. So basically that is to study the customers based on their lifestyle, their personal traits, and mm,
That is concept. In
y-
case
y-
of marketing also.
yes, sir. Sir,
But
there
coming
are
to the application, how it works.
sir like there are a lot of like various other companies have this sample data sets available about the customer preferences and all. So I'll use that data set for in the data mining processor. So bit of technology also is there.
Mm,
So where I can see the consumer preference. So,
mm. That means you wish to tell something from marketing side. Who helped whether you studied BBA or BCom in undergraduate level or computer
so
science?
BCS sir, BCS sir.
BCA. And because you are using, my students are saying that you are using technical terms in marketing, that is why. Anybody helped you for doing this one?
No sir, my mother is in shoe company. So
Oh, nice. That
and
is why.
my father is running a business.
Where in Bangalore?
Yes, sir. Like he's electrical contractor under KEB, authorized.
Oh, nice. Your mother, where is she is doing her business?
And she's not doing business, sir. She's working on Bata.
Oh, okay. Where? In Bangalore
P-
itself.
Yes, sir. Pina.
Oh, nice. Okay. Good. Now, whether your mother is here, whether she will accept your proposal.
Uh, she gave me this idea, sir, so about the
Oh,
shoes.
nice. Where is she now? Whether you are in home?
I'm home, sir, but she's not keeping well. She's sleeping.
Yes, how you are nicely adjusting.
No, sir. I'm seriously.
Yeah. Never say no, because in case of entrepreneurship, you have to say everything in a positive manner. Huh?
What
Good.
can we do?
Nice adjustment by Jiki. I have to inform Purganandam sir how students are nicely adjusting. Good, Jiki, you are a good marketer because your
Thank you, sir.
adjustment is in such a manner. Even by wearing your dress, I clearly identified. Mm. Okay, good, GK. We'll go
Thank
to
you,
the
sir.
information. Yes, who is ready for next?
Can I go, sir? Promise.
Romy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Romy. Mm. Yes, you can proceed. Suddenly, rider's trail is coming. Romy is very much fond of bikes. Yes, Romy, I am unable to hear your sound. Unmute yourself. Romy,
Can you hear me, sir?
now, yeah. But I am unable to see your face.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Show your face, you are going to be next Amitabh Bachchan.
Well,
Why you are worrying? Hmm?
sir, I'm the founder and CEO of Radio Style. Good afternoon to
Good.
all.
Hmm.
And my venture is to start up a Radio Style park for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. And here's the website for that. And the park ground will be a yo-yo off-road where riders can test their driving skills and have fun. The riders can bring their own vehicles and pay only for the entry. Um, and we will also provide rental bikes for them. In addition to it, we will set up a traditional designed coffee shop where the riders can rest at ease. And we will also include an off-road driving gear shop where they can buy helmets and safety gears of top brand and quality. We must construct a website and begin a riders club and connect it to all the riders club for promoting tourism in our area, which can bring more riders to the park. And we will connect by connecting to the other riders clubs. We can find our customers like the people who love adventures. And by 2030, here my company is profited by the renting the area and the shops. By 2030, we will expand it to a level that we can franchise it. Uh, for the to find the area, we must find the area where there are many tourist spots nearby, like rivers, waterfalls, hills, and housing facilities, hospitals, good restaurants where the customers can come and find this place. We will also allow the restaurants and other shops to advertise in our park so that we can earn through it. By bringing a rider club, connecting it to many other clubs, we can identify the adventurers and specialize our advertisement, especially to them, and bring out more customers. For a vast advertisement, bringing in a popular YouTuber like who is a rider will be much more better. And with a perfect logo and advertisement in the social media, we can bring out this new park to the people. From park, we can rent our shop, vehicles, and also collect entry fees. There will be a minimal fee for the entry, and we can also collect promotion fees for restaurants and resorts for advertising in our park. Mm. Then to find investment, this park will be of 1.5 acre, which is a 90% of a football ground. Then for the main investment should be to buy this or rent this area. We must find a investor who is willing to pay for the adventure, who loves an adventure. We have to shortlist the investor, and to reduce the burn rate, we are here like introducing this rental shops here, and also the advertisement in our then that's also. Thank you.
Okay, good, Rami. And the students are here. Your friends are asking. Oh, now only you are showing your
It's only
website,
this
huh?
was just a demo, so it's only this
Demo.
demo. Yeah.
Nice. Okay, they are asking. You can show the demo and answer this question. They are asking whether it is equivalent to a theme park.
No, sir. It's like they can bring their own vehicles, or we will rent the vehicles. They can we will conduct like races and all. It's like not just like a theme park. Then we can go live for this. Go live for the show each day for the.
I think like Formula One.
Yeah, it's not like Formula side, just a park I think. Like then we will connect to other riders. Then bringing to our the main theme is to bring riders to our area. Then
Oh, you should have some aim, no? Nice. Your idea is nice in my view. Okay, I will come to that thing in my. So from the faculty side, their question is same thing. The investment amount.
the investment amount. So it
How
will be
the
based on
land
the
is
areas.
very.
The only investment should be buying the land and constructing 3 shops. Other than that, there won't be a major investment.
But
Like
it is land, you have to buy or you have to lease the land.
lease the land also.
Or
For
going
the
to lease the land.
Yeah, most likely we will lease the land, sir.
Okay, good. Coming to my question, first thing I have to appreciate a nice background. How you set up that background?
From the Zoom only, sir. It's like just download the
Oh,
theme.
it is available there.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling my students, ask them to see your background. They have set up a different style for me. Don't worry. But your face is somewhat fear. With
No,
fear,
sir.
you are presenting. What happened?
No, sir.
First time you are presenting anywhere.
It's yes, sir. Just like first time.
Don't come out of here. Your idea is very nice idea, and I like that one because. But you are saying the dream is only less. Your dream should be like Formula One.
Yes, sir. For the beginning, I'm telling that for the investment, we should bring out like a symbol one for the first investment. Then we will go for the bigger one.
Yes, that is correct. That is finally you have to achieve. So hereafter, I think by 2050 or 2040, we need not go to Abu Dhabi and see the thing. Here itself you can see. That is, like you are having such a dream. You have to appreciate that one. So it is very tough to manage yourself, whether you will join hands with some other.
Yes, sir, I have friends. I have already talked with them like this idea.
Who?
Who and also I have my neighbors, neighbor friends.
Oh, neighbor friends. Oh,
Yeah.
where you are
And
now?
also this website, others help me make this.
Oh,
Others.
others is helping you. Good.
Yes, sir.
Where you are presently now?
I'm in Idiki, sir. Idiki.
Idiki, oh, you told her, no? Yeah.
Yes.
So, but Idiki, these type of rides are not common. Only I came to see some of the
Jeeps.
Jeep.
Always,
So
it's there.
Jeep, I seen that place.
Yes, it's there.
But it is most
Not common.
vulnerable place, and landslide, everything.
Yes, sir. That's perfect for this kind of things, sir.
Oh, good. That means you are ready to take over the adventure game.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Good idea, Rami Bani. That I have to appreciate. Only thing I am seeing that you are having some fear. You had come out of that fear as an entrepreneur. Huh? Your
Yes.
title is also nice. Riders Trials. Very nice. So that these are all the very nice plus point. Only thing you had to come with some financials. How you are going to manage the finance side. That you can think. After completion, I think you are having the dream. By 2030, are you able to achieve?
Yes, sir. I hope so.
I hope. Okay, good. That
Yes,
is essential. Good, Romy. Nice. We'll go to the next presentation. Yes. Who is going to present next? What happened? No one is ready. Or other students, some of them asked, they can come and present. Computer science students?
So can I do?
Yes, Sandra. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can start, ma. Computer science students?
Sir, I want to.
You can share, ma. I made it to you.
Can I share screen, sir?
Yes, you can share the screen.
Yes, sir.
Computer science students, you are not having time, so follow the schedule quickly. Okay, Sandra. I am unable to
Yes,
see.
sir. One second, sir. Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can. You can go to the slideshow, ma, but I am unable to see your face.
Yes, sir. One minute.
Yes, ma.
So can you see me?
Yes, nice background with blue color.
Yes. So, good afternoon to all. So my venture is a restaurant and it's called Feasting Taste Buds. For selecting the title, basically what I'm trying to is that if you come to my restaurant, you'll be feasted with different kinds of taste buds according to the taste of different people. So that's why I chose this title. And also the main theme of this restaurant is food, music, arts, and entertainment. So we are giving a combination of food, music, and arts. That itself, it's giving you different kinds of taste buds according to different people. So we'll be also providing variety of cuisines, Indian, continental, Arabic. So those will be the highlights. And also the main addition to this restaurant will be we'll be giving a platform or a stage for talented people to showcase their talents. And people can come from different cultures or backgrounds across the country and perform in our place. And so in a way, it also gives opportunity to new people, and as well as the customers can come and have a relaxing time. And the main ambience of this restaurant will be very lively, musical, relaxing, and fun. And nowadays it's a fast-paced life, and people are actually going through hectic schedules. So this is a place where you can come and enjoy and have a fun time. And also we include a music dedication corner where you can the customers can come and dedicate songs to your loved ones for special occasions. It can be birthdays or anniversaries. And we don't have a particular target customers. We focus on all generations, families, youth, as well as everyone. And also for children, you can also conduct birthday parties. And so this is like a prototype or like a theme that I thought of, where one second. Yeah. So this is like the interior where you can see the tables and chairs are arranged like this, and towards the side, towards left side, you can see a platform where people can come and perform there. And also the interior would be having different kinds of arts, drawings and paintings of different people. So people can have a taste of all the different kinds of taste, like music, arts, and that's the main thing. And so this is like a area, a sofa seating arrangement where families can come. This is mainly focusing for families. They can actually reserve these, make prior slots for getting the view. And this is where they can sit back and relax and enjoy the performance and also have delicious food. So this is like a prototype. Okay, so as I said, the interior and exterior would be a combination of classical and modern themes showing music, art, and culture. And we also provide a dessert bar, which is connecting to the main restaurant, which will have cakes, pastries, Indian sweets, and regional or international unique desserts we provide. And also, people can also pre-order customized cakes and decorations. So nowadays we know that marriage events and bridal showers, baby showers are too much of importance, and people would love to have certain decorations that will accompany the cakes. So we also provide that, and you can actually pre-order these decoration items. And we also provide a parking space for customers that and so this is like the mini dessert bar that we were thinking, where you can have different kinds of delicious food and cakes and pastries. So vision for 2030 is basically first to develop the brand name Feasting Taste Buds, FTB, and also to create a combination of cuisine, cultural arts experience. So we find very less combination of that area, where either it's only food or it's only watching arts or cultural performances. So we want to give an experience to the customers who come here for different tastes. And also to start outlets in various parts of the country. And we are also thinking of mini dessert bars, FTB dessert bars, which will be located in cities, towns, and villages. And so this is basically for more people to get to know the brand name, to increase the brand name or develop the identity of the brand name, so that instead of the whole restaurant itself, we can actually just give dessert bars in small locations. And since it's pandemic era, we also want to provide a safe and hygiene environment for the customers. So that'll be one of our priorities. So the main marketing plan itself, the marketing plan itself is our idea. It's an innovative venture where it's a combination of delicious food, music, and also a platform for talented artists across the country. And this main idea itself will attract more customers to visit our place. And also we provide a quality, our focus is on providing quality and variety with different cuisines and entertainment. And advertising through all social media platforms. So it's very important that we need to create a strong social media presence, since it's a competitive food industry, and Instagram, Facebook, Twitter can be used for the same. And we would also like to partner with online food apps by offering discounts for the first 5 orders. So that'll again increase more customers to come and enjoy our place. And also create a FTB restaurant website or a profile, which will also give offer coupons or discounts online. And again, the next is develop brand identity, as I said, and also to invite professional artists or bands, so that it'll give people, interest or curiosity. Oh, okay, this famous artist is coming and performing in our restaurant. So it'll give them a curiosity. So even though artists can be expensive, we would just want to do it like once in 5 months or 6 months, so that it creates an ambience and people really want to come and visit. Okay, this famous artist is coming and performing. So that is one of the marketing plan. And also to create a food and entertainment blog where you'll get information on the cuisines, the new recipes that we are doing, and also the performances of the day, which all days, which all bands or artists or singers are coming and performing. That also we can provide information through this blog, and giving access to functional and a sleek online. Many people they really want to see what we are providing. So if you give them an online menu, they can actually know, okay, these are the items or these are the varieties that we have. So it'll give them more interest to come and visit. And also providing online reservation tools where you can book seats for the where you want to sit, and also for booking stage performances. And we'll give offers on special days. If suppose it's a person's birthday, we can give them a discount, a small discount, so that it'll create an interest. So controlling burn rate is see, first of all, online marketing does not create much cost, so there's no much burn rate happening there. And also next is to control wastage of products. Maximum we'll try to control them. And also buying stock as per requirements only. So if the customers are asking for something, if it's customized things, so we just have to do it according to what they want, and we are not overdoing it. And also to keep a continuous track of the restaurant cost, and producing maximum revenue. So we are taking payment for reservation of the stage or the time slots, and also for the car parking space, we are getting revenue from there. And also dedication corner, everything will be a small amount, but we'll be taking it from the customers. So that'll increase our revenue. And also keeping a unique but limited menu. So if the suppose the menu is too large, and so that'll create a lot of money there itself. So we'll keep the menu very limited, but it'll be very unique and delicious food. So it's quality over quantity basically. And also we'll try to reduce staff, or instead of reducing staff, we can also take part-time employees or interns who would like to work, which will give them an experience. Also we won't have to give them much salary for it, so since it gives them experience. And to attract the venture capitalists, first of all, I need to present the strong business plan or the structured idea and convince them that idea is good and I can execute it. So, so if I develop that trust from them, I think I can go about doing it. And also raising financial literacy and strategies. I need to have a specific financial knowledge, so that I can convince my capitalist. And having a knowledge in all aspects of the venture, not just financial. I need to have a general knowledge of all the aspects of the venture. And online conversation, to develop an online conversation with venture capitalists. So suppose if we create a network, I'll be able to I'll be having an awareness on who will be interested and who will be not. Even if those people who are not interested can suggest me some people who are interested into this venture. And increase the chance for funding. And also to establishing a team before approaching. So I need to establish a team, have an idea of who will go where, hire qualified employees, and then approach the venture capitalists so that they know that we are ready. And also have exchange food deals for capital. So I can actually use crowdfunding platforms, so that will enable my investors for incentives. So if they come, we can give them food deals. So these people are the ones who are genuinely interested in having food and enjoy food and all kinds of entertainment. And so finding the right investors who are interested in my values and interests and benefits are very much important. And also, if there is any problems or situations that arise, I need to give them solutions or limitations. So that'll develop the trust basically. So this is my idea, sir.
Very good, ma. You have presented from top to bottom everything. I am very much interested in coming to a restaurant.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very much welcome, sir.
Yes, the students are also asking same thing. Your idea is very nice. How, whether you are a very good chef or you will hire a chef?
I need to hire chef, sir. I have no idea.
That is why they are
initially
asking.
thinking- I need to hire professional chefs, sir. Yeah.
Why you are not studied that one? Your
No,
mom will
I
tell
know.
you everything.
No, I know, sir, but not like professionals. No, so yeah, I need
Mm.
to have professionals. I know like basics.
Now everybody is studying with YouTube only, ma. Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Me too, sir. Yeah, same.
Even my wife today, she cooked based upon YouTube only. Mm. Okay, nice. From the faculty side, they are asking the question. You are presented all this thing in 360-degree. That is everything you covered. Mm. The problem is how your marketing plan will be going good because you are, as I usually mention, the ambience is very nice. Huh?
Yes, sir.
How you will marketing plan will go ahead with your finance. They are saying that the band rate will be more.
Yes, sir. Burn rate will be more. I think I'll need very initial investment will be very high for me,
Mhm.
but I think I'll have to partner it with people so that I alone don't have to put everything into. So if I have 5 or 6 partners to, because it's a huge venture and it's just a dream, sir. It's just an idea. So I don't think I can do it alone. But even if I do it alone, I need to find investors who are very much interested into this idea, so that I can convince them to fund more to this,
Mm.
because I myself alone can't do it. That is for sure. But I need to have more funding, sir. So I need to find investors. So
Yes, very
yeah.
good, ma. So
Mm.
coming to my question, how you will get the fund? You told, whether your parents are ready to support you.
Parents are ready, sir, but fund should be
Mm.
there.
Oh, nice.
Parents are always
Fund should
ready.
be there. Yes, that's what I'm asking. Very good.
Sir, I need to
Good.
think about it, sir. This is just
Mm,
a dream, sir. So
mm,
I have to think, how I can work about it. I don't have a definite idea about the finances, but I need to,
mm.
increase my knowledge on that.
Very good. So your plan, everything is very good, nice. Your dream is also nice. You have to wait and see up to 2030 or before that you will start.
No, sir, 2030, I think. I don't know. Depends, sir. 2030.
Okay, good. You are a psychology student or which department you
Yes, sir.
belong? Very
Psychology, sir.
good, very
Psychology.
nice. So you understand the psychology of others. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. That is where you are present.
So right now I'm in Bahrain, sir. I'm from
Mm.
Kerala.
Oh, now you are in Bahrain. Oh, nice.
Yes, sir.
So that is why you are able to link everything. Mm. Mm.
Yes.
I have not visited Bahrain, even though I had one chance to visit. By the time some issues, so we went to Dubai only. Mm. Nice, ma. Your
Okay,
presentation
okay,
is
sir.
nice. Only
You're
thing,
welcome, sir.
finance. Who will
You're welcome
finance
here,
that?
sir.
Your parents are there with you now.
No, sir. No, sir. They have gone
Okay, okay.
working. Yeah.
Walking. What is
Yeah.
the time now there?
So it's 12:45, sir.
12:45.
Yeah.
Okay, good, ma. Very nice job. Very good work.
Thank
Good,
you, sir.
Sandra. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Okay, good. I think students will have a break. We will start exactly by 3:30. Okay. The team, the next presenters will be ready. Who is going to present next?
I will go next,
Sir,
sir.
I'll do.
Yes, there are two things. Okay, no problem. Be ready with your presentation. We'll start sharply by 3:30. So be ready with that one. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice coffee and come back.